to 14th video of this interview playlist. How do you generate script for your table with complete data?
How to generate script for a table with the data. Assume, for example, your table has 1 million rows. Your table has 1 million rows. How to script the table with all data? Right click database, asks generate scripts. Generate scripts. You get one generate scripts wizard like this. Next, script entire database or particular objects. I'll select only table, one or more tables. Next, go to advanced. By default, it scripts only the schema structure. Script, schema, and data. This one. Click OK. This way we can even script logins, users, permissions, everything. For now, our requirement table and data, schema and data. OK. Save it to a notebook or to a script or to new query window. Anything is fine as per your requirement. For our easy learning purpose, right now I'll give it a new query window. We can verify it. Next, finish. This will generate two things. Number one, the structure. Number two, row by row, each row. So automatically insert statements will be available now. Click finish. See, firstly table structure, then see the insertion also. Insert into statements will be auto generated. These are all auto generated scripts. Especially for migrations, we need to generate the scripts at the source with the data and run the script on the destination site. Try it. Any questions? I'm always there to guide you, help you further.